Hello and welcome everyone to Acuity Civil Engineers. My name is Anindita. Here in this video, we are going to explain what is structural engineering and why do you need a structural design and a structural engineer to design your building or structure. In this channel, we bring content related to engineering, civil engineering, architecture, interior design, and everything related to your building construction. If you have interest in this type of a content, please do not forget to press the subscribe button and be with us, and press the bell notification to all selections so that you get each and every video that is being created by us in your notification box. So structural engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on designing structures that can actually withstand forces and loads. So what are the loads? Loads are the dead loads, that is the self weight of the structure. Live loads, that is the weight of people or machines or anything that is moving on the floors of the structure or the building. And it is for the lateral loads, which are wind and seismic or earthquake loads. So we design for these four types of loads and we ensure that we build a structure that is safe and sound for years to come, and people living in the structure are always safe come what may. It might be a very big storm, that is in wind load. It might be an earthquake as in seismic load, and it might be a lot of gathering of live load, people moving on the floors. The structural engineer designs the elements of the building, which are beam, column, slabs and foundation mainly, and these elements of the building transfer every kind of the load that I have been explaining earlier to the soil. So every element of the building works in tandem together and makes sure that the load is safely transferred to the ground. So the main purpose of structural engineering is number one is safety, number one is durability, number three is stability, number four is strength. So the key responsibilities of a structural engineer are load calculation, then the structural analysis, then designing all the members, and then designing the foundation. After the design part is over, we do the detailing, which is the detail of the beams and columns, their sizes, their grade of concrete, and the reinforcement that has to be placed in the members. And this is called the reinforcement detailing. We all know what is reinforcement. Reinforcement is the rod that is being put inside the structures, as you have all seen in your vicinity. These designs are based on Indian standard codes of guidance and partly depends on the engineer's discretion and his or her experience. So what happens when we do not do a proper structural design? So there are so many vices that might occur, and these include cracks in beams and columns, uneven or differential settlement, column failure, excessive deflection, and in extreme cases a structure might also collapse. We are all designing the structures, but if things go wrong in the design, the impacts can be life-threatening also. Structural engineering is a must in the following cases: when you are designing a new building for construction, if you are adding extra floors to the existing building, you are making structural modifications like opening up some walls or removing some old structures, you are building in high seismic or wind load zones, and when you see visible structural distress like cracks or differential settlement. The design, in any case we design a structure, so there is a cost of the structure, and the cost of designing it properly is very meager compared to the total construction cost. So it is always advisable to get it done through a qualified engineer. It controls the material efficiency, long-term safety. It controls the material efficiency, structural safety, and long-term efficiency of a building, even if it costs you a little amount at the beginning. If you don't do the structural engineering, what will happen? It will result in higher maintenance cost of the building. Every now and then we have to make the repairs to the structure, and the lifespan efficiency of the structure will reduce. Structural engineering is not about over-designing a building. It is the exact framework that is needed for the building to keep it optimized from the cost and the safety points of view. So whenever you start a structure, do not forget to consult a qualified engineer, ensure proper design and drawings, and follow code compliant execution, and that too under the guidance of a qualified supervising engineer. In a following video, I will explain what is the difference between an architect, a contractor, and a structural engineer so that you get more clarity on the subject. If you have any questions about structural design and why you need a structural engineer for your building, please feel free to ask in the comment section or get in touch with the WhatsApp number or email ID given in the description of this video, and we will be happy to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. I will be there with a new video very soon. Please, till then, thank you so much for watching.